Okay, guys, good morning. Today is the 17th. It is a Wednesday. We still have a full week and still Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Quite a long month, January. So we've got quite a lot to go through. So, as you can see yesterday on the US 100, closed as a pin bar. Today, right now, is closing. Well, right now, it's a bearish engulfing. I do believe that this will go bullish at some point. It doesn't make sense for this to close bearish with all of this buy pressure, pin bar, pin bar, pin bar, pin bar. Doesn't make sense for this to close bearish. So I do believe that we could touch either this level or this level. This is the zone that we're kind of looking for buys today. A little bit thicker than usual. So if we go to the 1 hour, we could see buys at any point here. So any point in this zone, I do believe that we are going to touch and then see buy pressure come in. I don't know if we've got high impact news today, but we could see something like this today. SL just below here. Obviously, depends on price action. We're not looking for sells at all, looking for buys. It's overall bullish still. Overall higher highs. We're just in this consolidation period before we move to the upside. So let's take a look at the news. Let's take a look today. Let's just refresh this, make sure that it's the right one. So we've got retail sales. We have Fed Bar speech and Fed Bowman speech, Fed Wood speech, business inventories, Fed Beige speak, Fed Williams speech. So we've got a lot of speeches. We haven't got any red label news that is really going to impact the market. Retail sales, yes, we will get volume. Is it going to create something, crazy? No. Is it probably going to make the market go into an area of liquidity? Yes, and then move to the upside potentially. Now, let's go to US 30. We'll do US 30, and then we'll go on to gold, and then we'll do the fundamentals. So US 30, again, it's in that range. It's in that level that we are looking for buys. Are we going to place buy yet? No, because we haven't seen the move to the upside. Literally, all this needs, the same as US 100, is just that juicy move, and then we'll place our long. Let's have a look at the daily here. So on the daily, yesterday was bearish. Again, we're at this level of buy pressure. We've seen this previously where we've moved down, then moved up. Very nice level of buy pressure. If we don't see buys today, and then it will be quite weird because it's a very nice level. Also, there's the monthly zone here. So I do believe that we will see buyers at some point. Just a little consolidation period after breaking the monthly zone, which is kind of expected, to be honest. So looking for buys here at some point. Now let's move on to gold. So gold has moved to the downside. It's broken the uptrend, as we can see. So that's fully been broken now. Yesterday broke it. So now we're looking for sells. Potentially looking for sells at the 2035 level all the way down to 2014. Let's take a look at the fundamentals. So long term, we have gold at a positive 1.3, USD positive 0.5. So gold's stronger than the USD long term. Bitcoin's killing it. Japanese yen's the weakest. The British pound's positive 1.4. Medium, USD is the strongest, 3.8. Gold's a positive 1. Great Japan is still strong. Yen is still weak. Short term, the Great Japan is absolutely killing it. Yen minus 2.7. USD positive 3.7. Gold positive 0.0. So Bitcoin is still strong as well. So overall, medium term and short term, gold is a lot weaker than the US dollar. So we're looking for shorts on that. So on the 1 hour, we've broke this level now. We was looking for buys here. And then with the speech, it just moves to the downside. So the only level I'm interested in selling gold is this level. Will it move all the way back up to there? I don't know. But this is what I'm looking for. Because we have respected this level previously. This is the level that I'm looking for. Previous level of sell pressure here. Previous level of buy pressure. So it makes sense to look for a sell there. Again, will it move all the way up here? I don't know. Will it just fall? Maybe. It could fall all the way down to here, bounce up, and then move down. But that's the setup I'm looking for. So that's that. Let's have a look at the Great British pound against the yen, because the Great British pound is super, super strong against the yen. And it did move to the upside. So we would have got a trade at 11 o'clock or at 1400 with the Great British pound being strong. That would have been your entry. There's no entry now. Yes, I have gone over US 100. I'll do it at the end if you need me to do it again, though, bro. So we've broken this daily zone now. What we're looking for. So we've had a push, exhaustion, continue move. Pretty standard moves. What we're looking for now. Well, we have a 4-hour zone here. The top of this area to the top of this area, that determines the thickness of the zone. So we're looking for now. Move to the downside here. Move to the upside. So on the 1 hour, looks something like this. SL just below this level. As you can see, when we break a significant zone, we always get an impulse. So when we get an impulse, we always have to come back down either to previous high or into the zone. So it will come down at some point, and then we'll take a trade to the upside. We also have a very nice uptrend here as well. So let's just take a look at this. Makes sense, right? Just going to get rid of this because it's just going to confuse things. So there we go. That's what we're looking for on the Great British pound against the yen. So now we've done those, let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's killing it in terms of strength. And we haven't seen much. So yesterday did close bullish, not above this zone, which is kind of a bummer because I would have taken it if it did close above. Still seeing sell pressure here, still in that consolidation phase. Bitcoin positive 4.3, USD positive 4.1 short term, long term Bitcoin positive 3.8, USD positive 0.6. So Bitcoin still on the rise. Just hasn't broke. Nothing too new on Bitcoin, to be fair. Still could touch this level, then move up. Still looking for a break in the daily, and then we'll go from there. Great pound USD. So Great pound is killing it in strength as well. Short term, the Great pound positive 5.4, USD positive 4.1, medium term, Great pound positive 2.9, USD positive 3.9. So it's kind of 50-50 on the 1 hour. Ooh, we have a potential entry at 7 a.m. That's not the open. I would say, guys, if we break above here, you are good for a long. So there's two scenarios here. Either it's going to touch again and then break, or it's just going to have a bullish engulfing and break this level. But either way, if this breaks 1.26775, then you can go long on this. Stop loss either below the swing low here, so we could move down and then bullish engulfing, the swing low there, or the swing low here. It's either going to be a 3-to-1 or a 2-to-1, whichever one. So that should be a decent trade for you. I think that the setup is going to look something like this, where it just breaks and then we continue for the next couple of days or couple hours or so. And so the TP1 will be at this level here, which also will be pretty much a 1-to-1. So I'll put this in the setup as well. So there you go. Euro USD. RUSD? What is that? Okay, so we didn't get that sell yet. Have you noticed that Euro USD and the great and gold pretty much look the same? We have this uptrend. We've literally just broken it, and now we're looking for the same exact setup. Have you noticed that? Look, literally pretty much the same setup here. Crazy, isn't it? Euro against the USD, gold against the USD. You would think that they would be different, but sometimes if it's against the USD and there's nothing crazy happening in euro or gold, they're pretty much going to move the same. So there we go. So with the euro against USD, literally the same as gold. Looking for a move to a key level, and then we look for sells to the downside. Simple as that on the euro. So let's just go over the US 100 for AC. So yeah, man, US 100, we have our buy zone here. Nice level of consolidation. What I'm looking for is a tap into this level, bullish engulfing move to the upside. Literally exactly the same as US 30. Literally on both of these, we have the buy zone. Just that US 30 is moved a little bit beyond, so it'll be a little bit of a better trade, but still here, we're near the buy zone. I do think it's going to go into it, and then doesn't really matter if we get a bullish engulfing here or here. Still looking for moves to the upside. So there you go, bro. Does anyone want to go through anything else before I end session? Let's just take a look at no, no one's got anything. Okay, cool. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Gareth, Hambo, Kalan, Lezek, Mohammed, and Gabrielka. Thank you, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. It's all about learning and becoming independent. So that's it, guys. I shall see you at 2:30. Take care. Have a good day. Have a good morning. Bye-bye.